Today, Alex is going to teach us about something, and then if there's things that you want to teach us about, I'll let you do it on another day, okay? So Alex, all these different things on the floor, I don't know what they are. So if I point to them, can you tell me what they are? Okay, so ready? And can you say it really loud? Okay, what's that?
Crave.
A crane. Wow, okay. And you can stand closer. And ready? And what is this?
Mixer truck.
A mixer truck. Wow, what is this?
Excavator.
Excavator. Everybody say excavator.
Excavator.
Wow, okay, what is this?
Dump truck.
A what? A dump truck? Everyone say dump truck.
Dump truck.
Okay, well what's this? This looks different. What is that?
But this one.
That's the same, but it's it's the same. Okay, that's another one. What about this one? What is this?
This is a roller.
A roller. Okay, well you said that one is tell me again, what is this one?
That's a mixer truck.
It's a mixer truck? All right, what about this one over here?
A bulldozer.
A bulldozer. That is so cool. Everyone say good job, Alex. All right, everybody go find a circle. Say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alex, that was awesome. You did such a good job showing us. I learned so much from you today. All right, everyone put your spot in a circle over here.